Examination result thokle ayama makai mahiroi sing loina pass taunare adubu luribadi course makha tamthabasini mayambu request technique YouTube channel gi maigi digi ikai khumna putseri video si mahiroi imai bel isel marumapang pumna magna yengmada kanaba fangbigani maramaduna video si hobudigi loiba fawpatang yengbiu hojik covid laina gi case asi nongmu asum hengalakli mathang sahi su lairik tambagi condition asi aru film da lay lairik tamdabadi yadi sahi manglagadi isagi mangjabani problem mayam asigi solution karino matam asidi mobile internet amadi online gi matamni maramaduna isana karigumba class 10 pass tawragasu akoina diploma course kaya matamba yai yumda layna india amadi foreign countries ki college amadi university gi matengna class 11 amadi 12 tambagi mahut diploma tawragadi nganna job tawbagi khudong sabal lay maramdi class 12 loiraga thabak phangni haibadudi wana thokani adubu diploma tamba loiraga mahiroi adu thabak tawna study tawba yai adu oragadi fangliba salary aduna isai thanta makha like tam thaba yare parents ta depend tawdrasu yare diploma courses khara mingoina pallagadi diploma in agriculture aircraft maintenance, engineering, animal husbandry, architecture, automobile engineering, business, medical, mechanical engineering, medical imaging technology, medical lab technology, record technology, hotel management and catering technology, sports and journalism, software and data science technology, 50 courses ki mathakta lay. Students amadi parents ki wakhalonda. Class 10 pass torba matung 11 amadi 12 tamba haibagi wakhalonda sum lainay diploma tambagi wakhal di khanadi diploma tambagi kanaba madudi ahanbada class 12 loiraga job fangba haibadudi wana thokani fanglabasu anemba thaki job oigani adubu diploma asi tamba loiragadi anywhere in india amadi abroad ki online job yumda layna tawba yai work from home gi matengna ani subada diploma courses ase tha taruk dagi hawraga sahi ani fawbagi manungda lay tamliba course adugi makha poli ahum subada diploma asi class 10 12 graduate master loiraba mahiroi singna chu tamba yai online gi matengna yumda layna isagi mobile desktop natraga laptop ki matengna school amadi college ki timing ayuk pung 10 dagi hawraga class 2 gi matungina aikoina online asi tawba yai council amadi CBSE class 12 science amadi arts lower matung graduate amadi master natraga PhD courses hauzik matam asidadi courses chamgi mathakta tamba yaba kayama layre adubu lamdam asidadi oja natraga sifai gi thabak haiba wakhal asida yam lainabana asoiba masu oiri online education gi kanaba ahanbada hauzik YouTube yengbiriba sisu online education makhalamani school gi blackboard ta takpa budi video amadi audio yengba amadi tabana khangba heli praman oina haiba matamda film yengba amadi isai tabana kawba ngamde class ki bench ta famlaga blackboard amadi oja gi lecture tabada boring oirei mafam aduda asum famlagadi wakhal concentrate oide online gidi park natraga garden da famlaga class tawbasu yai ani subada language improve oiba Northeast oja ki pronunciation South Indian ki pronunciation foreign country ki pronunciation loina khetnai oja mayam asidagi experience makhal lauragadi future da language ki problem oiroi ahum subada online class tawriba matamaduda sak lamlak pa yauragadi isagi family gi member ima iche itaima natra inamana mateng tawrak pa yai adu waragadi hostel da sak and sang hautabagi problem su lairaroi Mari subada Guwahati, Delhi, Bangalore, natraga India gi mapalam like China, US ta chatlaga tamba haibasi ahenba sel pay tawpa tagani haibadi chatpa leiba hostel gi fee monthly fee chaba gi fee mayamasi online class tawragadi extra fee mayamasi sel thidrabasu yare manga subada online asida experience leiragadi online job makhal kayamasu try tawpa yai matam asidadi interview su online ngaktani adu oiragadi ahenba knowledge kayamasu fangani job aduda selection oiragadi job tawna lairik tambasu yai imanabi graduate loidringaida isamak hana job tawragadi miyamgi mamangda ijat kayamasu lairagani haubada salary liagasu experience lairagadi future da awangba level gi post fangani matam asida post awangba thabak tawge hairagadi experience certificate yamna maru oi degree certificate dagi experience certificate na hena magun lay taruk subada school gi classroom manungda ojana takpa matamda khangdabadu hangningba lairabasu aina ojadu da wahang asi hangluraga imanabina kari khankhini kari hainakhini aingonda mayam yengaga noknakhigedra mayam naibu yengakadra natraga over smart sai haikhigadra haina mayam asi khallingaida hangningba wahang adu ojada hangba ngamhaude bel khingkhibana hali adubu online asidadi yumda online class tawrabanina hangningba mongda hangba yare ikaibasu fauraroi asisu kanaba makhalamani taret subada lamdam asidadi ban blockade na thallaba mafam oibana school hangdaba oja school karaktaba kayama nong subadagi school isingna thumle haiduna class tawdaba mayam ama thengnari online asidadi school amadi college khudingmakta star rating haina lay fajana taagadi 5 star taktragana 1 star adu oragadi star rating piribasi mayam pumnamakna uba phangbanina school amadi college ki oja singsu 5 star rating lainaba haiduna online class asi fajana takpa tabani school amadi college competitive oibana amadi offline school dadi ojana takliba adu uba phangde ojagi mathakta complain tawragana mahairoi adugi mark kakthat piba online asidadi students tanatana parents faubu uba phanglani oja sina kamaina lairik takli amadi kayam fajana takli council amadi CBSE class 12 science amadi arts pass tawrba matung graduate master courses madudi engineering architecture agriculture fishery hotel management nursing lab technician optometry fashion designing LLB MBBS pharmacy dental surgery IT BCA computer science animation graphics and multimedia robotics engineering courses chamgi mathakta lay tamgadaba mafam madudi Guwahati Delhi Bangalore Tamil Nadu Uttarakhand Punjab Rajasthan amadi India gi mapalamda with top colleges and university India government approved tawrba ngaktani hauzik online class tawrbasu yumda lay layna next year covid asina farakpa oiragadi practical tawdaba yadaba matang adudadi RT channel sigi teamna mahairoi adu college aduda parents ama oina pubigani mahairoi aduna college aduda chatpa matamda ahalaman yauna chatningba lairagasu chatpa yabagi khudong chabasi thamjari tamba hobadagi thaba phangdri fauba mateng pangjagani office asi Imphal amadi Guwahati dasu leijari online class asi yumda lairaga tawgadoribanina hostel gi fee di thibiraroi suknatagi class ki fee khakta oina thibigadabani ahenba information gi damak artisanal team gi call number 9612530299 natraga WhatsApp number 8257949912 asida akupa marol khangbiba yagani matamanghan biganu ngasima call tawbiraga isa singbu online gi khongthang asida lairik makha chathan biu video si mayamda share tawbiu in WhatsApp Facebook Instagram dasu lamdamasi sakhotpama porok minasi tambalepi ganu thank you